got matching scars, huh?
Yes, we do. We're brothers that way. We both love classic rock.
There you go.
So it's the 24th today of July 2011. Out boating with Terry, Johnny, Eric, and Joshua.
Yes, sir.
Just headed out of Zittle's Marina, Johnson Point. Got enough beer and wine to make us through the gig.
Absolutely.
Johnny, how you doing, brother?
Doing well. How are you?
Welcome. How was your trip down from Vancouver?
Take this off.
Sweet. We're gonna go ahead and undo the. Mind your way, Josh. All right.
Sweet. Yeah, buddy.
That's a good thing. Man, I never turned down a chance to sail.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't blame you. That's what's good about Facebook, you can beg. Please!
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget me on the next trip. I'll sell you my sister. By the way, my sister was hinting she might want to come along with us. I said I'd run it by you. And then I didn't hear back from her. She's going, I'm envious you guys are going out.
I invite Marilyn, I invited her.
Oh, good. And what'd she say, no?
I don't remember what she said.
Well, she's there in spirit. She's a good kid.
All right, let's grab those cushions. My butt's sore.
Cushion.
You grab the cushions, got them up. Where the cushions at? There should be right underneath that guitar, right underneath the cover that I was just leaving there to air out. I haven't put it away yet. That's my bad. But
You think of everything, Terry. Am I in the way or?
yes, you are.
Get up. I'm in